Hi, kiddos. We are starting a new DMR, and so we're going to go over the key concepts first. We may have to break this into 2 videos because I only get 5 minutes. Key concept number 1, dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. Last week, we talked about the reciprocal when we were learning about inverse property of multiplication. If you don't remember, it means you are flipping or changing the numerator and the denominator. So that is what that means. I am hearing you probably have heard it as keep, change, flip when you have done this in your earlier grades. So first thing I need to do is I need to be able to see what I'm working on. So I'm going to zoom this in, and we're going to talk about how to type these fractions because they're a little bit harder than usual. So the problem is 3/4 divided by 1/2. So if we keep, change, flip, that means I'm going to keep 3/4. I'm going to change that division to multiplication, and I'm going to make that an X this time since we are not using variables. Otherwise, we could use the star. And now we are going to flip. 1/2 flipped will be 2/1. Now, I know that that does not look pretty, so I'm going to type it the way that you guys would recognize it. 3, 2. And I'm going to press return, and I'm going to put 4 times 1. Then I will go up here and I will underline so that it looks like your 3/4 times 2/1. Now, in order to solve, you're just going to multiply across the top. 3 times 2 equals 6. This part does not have to stay underlined. And 4 times 1 equals 4. So our answer is 6/4. We can get into reducing later, but that is not what we're teaching right now. So your answer right now is 6/4. Reflection. I know that when I am dividing fractions, the first fraction stays the same. The operation changes to multiplication, and the other fraction, and I'm going to put quotation marks, flips, which is called a reciprocal. Let's see if I can make all this fit in one place. And there's the answer to the top half. I'm going to stop there because I'm probably going to run out of time. So we're going to do the second half in just a few minutes after you guys get all that filled in.